हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू पीकेआर इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियरिंग। तो दोस्तों, ये फोर्थ पार्ट है ओएचई सीरीज का। और इसमें हम देखेंगे ओएचई इंसुलेटर, ओएचई आइसोलेटर एंड जंपर और ओएचई ट्रांसफार्मर। तो फर्स्ट देखते हैं ओएचई इंसुलेटर्स। इन ओएचई देयर आर डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ इंसुलेटर आर बीइंग यूज्ड। फर्स्ट है स्टे आर्म इंसुलेटर। These insulators are equipped with stay arm tube in cantilever. These insulators are having two different types. First, porcelain insulator and second, composite type insulator. Porcelain insulator जो है वो है 850 mm CD and 1050 mm CD. Composite type insulator है same size के. Bracket insulator. This insulator is equipped with bracket tube in cantilever. These insulators are having two different types. ये भी दो types के होते हैं. Ton insulator, cut-in insulator है. In an insulated overlap, the two OHs are made electrically separated. जो टर्न इंसुलेटर होता है वो क्या होता है? In an insulated overlap, the two OHs are made electrically separated by provision of cut-in insulator in the catenary and contact wire. In section insulator arrangement, this insulator is erected in the catenary wire. In terminations of wires where the platform involves, this insulator is used in the edge of the platform. ये है 25 kV support insulator, pedestal insulator. This type of insulator are used in single pole isolator, double pole isolators and in bus bar arrangement. 25 kV tie rod insulators. This type of insulator are used in single pole isolators, double pole isolator arrangements. Section insulator. अब देखते हैं section insulator. A device is section insulator. A device installed in the contact wire for insulating two elementary electrical sections from each other while providing a continuous path for pantograph without break of current. Section insulator. Next, jumpers. A jumper is a conductor or an arrangement of conductors not in tension used for electrical connection between two conductors or equipments. Type of jumpers in span jumpers or H jumpers, turnout or uninsulated overlap jumper or G jumpers, potential equalizing jumpers of F jumpers. Isolator. Function of isolator is to make and break the electrical continuity of an elementary section. This picture shows the pole view of the single pole isolator in measure yard where loading and unloading of materials are involved. Double pole isolator with earthing heels and being used. OHE ट्रांसफार्मर। तो OHE ट्रांसफार्मर के एक तो है आपका ऑक्सिलरी ट्रांसफार्मर जो कि कंट्रोलिंग सप्लाई के लिए यूज होता है, ठीक है। और सब स्टेशन के लिए लाइटनिंग है, स्विचिंग यार्ड है, टनल है, ठीक है। वर्किंग ऑफ कलर लाइट जो सिग्नल सिस्टम होता है, इन सब के लिए यूज होता है ऑक्सिलरी ट्रांसफार्मर। बूस्टर ट्रांसफार्मर क्या होते हैं? बूस्टर ट्रांसफार्मर वेयर नेसेसरी फॉर suppression in inductive interference of PNT communication line running in close vicinity and parallel to 25 kV OHE may be provided separately for each running tracks. The primary winding of the booster transformer is connected in series with the OHE insulated overlaps. The booster transformer are located at an ex- approximately spacing of 2.66 km between each other. The return conductor, OHE return conductor. In deciding the route of return conductor, the obstructions in route should be taken into consideration. Beside adequate physical and electrical clearance should be maintained from fixed structure. The general objective is to run the return conductor as close as possible to the associated overhead equipment so as to secure maximum compensation. Subs- Subsidiary line such as sliding loops etc are not provided with return conductors. The return conductor will be normally run on the traction mast on the same side as overhead equipment. Clearance OH return conductor का the static and dynamic clearance to any part of the return conductor from an earth structure should be 150 mm and 80 mm respectively. The clearance between the return conductor and overhead equipment should not be less than 400 mm under the roast condition. At overbridge,